Hello, food lovers! If you think making stuffed kibbeh is difficult, this recipe will change your mind. Follow along and impress your family and friends with this delicious and crispy Middle Eastern delicacy. Let's get started. Ingredients. For the filling: 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 onions, 300 grams ground beef, 1 tablespoon red pepper paste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, salt to taste, 1/2 cup walnuts, 1/2 cup parsley. For the outer dough: 2 cups fine bulgur, 1/2 cup semolina, 1 cup hot water, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon red pepper paste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, salt to taste. Preparing the filling: heat oil in a large pan and sauté the finely chopped onions until golden brown. Add the ground beef and cook for about 5 minutes, breaking it apart as it browns. Stir in the red pepper paste, spices, and salt. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat and mix in the chopped walnuts and parsley. Set aside to cool completely. Preparing the dough: in a large mixing bowl, combine bulgur and semolina. Pour hot water over it. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit for 10 minutes to absorb the moisture. Add flour, egg, red pepper paste, spices, and salt. Knead well until it forms a smooth, elastic dough. Wetting your hands will make kneading easier. Cut a 20 to 25 centimeter long piece of plastic wrap and lay it flat. Take a mandarin-sized portion of the dough and place it on the plastic wrap. Cover with another piece of plastic wrap and roll it out thinly with a rolling pin. Remove the top layer of plastic wrap and cut out circles using a round cutter or a glass. Place a generous amount of filling in the center of each circle. Fold in half and seal the edges tightly. Heat plenty of oil in a deep frying pan. Fry the kibbeh until golden brown, flipping occasionally for even cooking. Alternatively, you can boil them in hot water for a lighter version. You can also freeze the uncooked kibbeh for later use. This recipe makes 22 delicious kibbeh. Serve them hot and enjoy the crispy, golden shell with juicy, flavorful filling inside. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in the next delicious adventure.